you'll see people selling small piglets, ducks, goats, cows, any type of livestock that you can basically think of here. Good morning, fellow travelers. Welcome to Ha Giang. It is one of the most impressive provinces in Vietnam due to its towering mountainscape and remote villages of the hill tribe. One of the best things to do here in Ha Giang is to visit one of these local market where these ethnic minorities come to sell stuff, food, and even livestock. And here in Meo Vac, they actually have one of the most impressive and also the largest local market in the region. That's why many ethnic minorities walk for many kilometers, or even some come the night before in order to go to this market this morning, which is where we're going today. They open as early as 5 a.m. Although I can't quite get up that early, so it's 7 a.m. right now, and we're walking to the market to check it out and to see what we're in for. It's very crowded and crazy, and you basically see people from all different types of ethnic minorities. And you can see that the men generally tend to dress in black and black jackets, while the women are dressed a lot more colorful. And some have baskets in their back in order to carry stuff that they buy at the market home. There's local ladies selling basically chickens that you can buy, and the man up here is inspecting them. You'll see people selling small piglets, ducks, goats, cows, any type of livestock that you can basically think of here. They're so adorable. It's sad to think that they're going to be sold and raised, and we'll eat them, I guess. I'm at the most northwestern part of the market, where this is basically the cattle market. Chợ bò. Bò is cow and chợ is market, so cattle market. Wow, this is like so crazy crowded. I don't even know where to walk through. He's trying to put them in this cage in order to transport them back home. Hai con này chú mua bao nhiêu vậy? 3 triệu. 3 triệu á? So 3 million for these two piglets here. Oh, and you can see these two goats here are engaged in a fierce headlock battle. In addition to food and livestock, you can also buy pets as well. Their food stall section. So after shopping, locals can come here and basically get breakfast and a drink and basically hang out and chill for the rest of the day if they wanted to. In addition to coming here to sell their stuff, it's also a day to basically socialize with your friends and whatnot. The local wine here made from corn, because a lot of the fields up here they don't have enough water to grow wheat, so they end up growing a lot of corn. So then the locals use that corn to make wine and different types of food. And you can actually buy horse meat here as well. The guy back there is selling it. There's also the indoor market where they sell a myriad of things as well as food that you can get for breakfast. So we're gonna go check it out. Wow. Apparently you can buy these huge frying pans. That's crazy. I don't know what you would cook with that. This is The Meo Vac Sunday Market, people. Come check it out. Although, if you haven't seen this type of market before, you might be in for a little bit of a shock.